Each year, law enforcement agencies across the United States face new challenges, and the number of responsibilities has never been greater. The law enforcement profession evolves constantly, and the needs of communities can change in an instant. But what if you were able to enhance your agency's capabilities with subject matter experts from the field? And what if you could do it at no cost?
CRI-TAC is a program that I became aware of through the IACP, and they were offering assistance to any agency on dozens of topic areas and subjects. The area that I was most interested in was the area of crowd control from a large-scale event that was going to be taking place, and that was one of the areas of assistance that was being offered through CRI-TAC.
CRI-TAC was created largely through the efforts of the COPS office out of the Department of Justice, Community-Oriented Policing Services that functions under the Justice Department, working with IACP. They've done grant funding for quite a number of years now, the COPS office that is, to advance community policing, problem solving, and to foster more positive interaction between police and citizens.
Some of the agencies I've worked for, we rely on the individual to identify classes they want to attend. Everything is very driven by the budget. However, with Crytac coming in, you can bring them into your own agency, even if you're a smaller agency.
There's a misconception of who we are. I think a lot of it is just a kind of runaway, it's quick to blame law enforcement for things that are wrong with this country. In reality, I don't think that's really the case. I think what we have is a number of different programs or failed policies that have people feeling desperate. And because they feel desperate, they're going to reach out, and we are low-hanging fruit on a government scale of services we provide. So we tend to get more. Most people can't look past the badges.
Trainers at CRI-TAC provided for us were what I would say are probably the best in the field. They came from the National Tactical Officers Association. They have experience, real hands-on experience in special operations, and they provided high-quality training on active threat response to our personnel and the other agencies that were there. Really, I couldn't have asked for more professional or more knowledgeable instructors.
It's a variety of things. So maybe your department is particularly good at hosting SWAT trainings or active shooter trainings, but maybe a little light on the crime prevention, community engagement piece.
Around the country, agencies are requesting Crytac services. In Arkansas, agencies received de-escalation training. In Texas, technical assistance was provided on crime analysis. In Illinois, training on active shooter response was delivered. In Massachusetts, technical assistance was given on public sector partnership and coordination for crisis intervention. In California, agencies were supported in officer safety and wellness training. Agencies around the country can get tailored solutions using an easy four-step process. First, a request is submitted on collaborativereform.org by an authorized representative from an agency. Next, an IACP staff member contacts the requester to collect more information. The Crytac then assesses the request and determines the type of training or technical assistant to deliver. And finally, the Crytac works with the agency and associated partners to develop a customized plan.
A smart person knows what they don't know. And as the chief, that was important for me to understand that quickly. I cold called the IACP. I called their office and I said, who do I speak to? And it wasn't, you got a call back in 2 days. It was, oh, let me transfer you. I think they can help you. We met via phone every week. We had a Crytac meeting, a collaboration meeting. The expertise that I had at my fingertips has been invaluable for me to be able to change our small department. And I think that can be replicated easily for other departments similarly situated across the United States.
Do you have a need in your community? Reach out to the Collaborative Reform Initiative Technical Assistance Center. By the field, for the field. Submit a request today at collaborativereform.org.